In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save workspace layouts on MetaTrader 5. For traders on this platform, having a workspace that is customized to suit your needs can make all the difference in managing your trades effectively. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, maintaining a personalized setup ensures that your charts, indicators, and tools are always exactly where you want them, setting you up for success every time you log in. Let's dive into the process of saving your desired workspace layout. First, ensure that your MetaTrader 5 platform is open and that you have arranged your charts, graphs, and other tools to your liking. Customizing your layout allows you to work more efficiently, tailoring your workspace to your trading style or the specific market conditions you're focusing on. Once you're satisfied with your arrangement, it's time to save this layout, so you can easily return to it in the future. Start by navigating to the top menu of MetaTrader 5 where you'll find a tab labeled File. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you want to choose the option labeled Profiles. Profiles in MetaTrader 5 serve as collections of all your layout settings, including the charts you've displayed, the indicators applied, and more. After selecting Profiles, you'll see another menu to the side. In this list, you'll find the option to Save Profile As. Click on it. A small dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your profile. Naming your profile descriptively can be very helpful, especially if you plan on creating multiple profiles for different trading strategies or instruments. For example, if you primarily trade foreign currency pairs, you might name your profile Forex Setup. Or, if this layout is specifically for day trading during specific market hours, you could label it Day Trading Morning Session. Once you've decided on a name that makes sense to you, type it into the box. After you've entered your profile name, click OK to save. This simple action stores your current workspace layout within MetaTrader 5, allowing you to switch back to this exact setup with just a few clicks in the future. Remember, you can repeat this process whenever you adjust your workspace to better fit changing strategies or market conditions. Saving different layouts as separate profiles can significantly enhance your trading efficiency, allowing you to pivot quickly between different market focus areas. So, whether you're a technical analyzer, day trader, or perhaps someone who focuses on commodities, saving your workspace layout in MetaTrader 5 will provide a more streamlined and organized trading experience. Happy trading!